Hey everyone, it's Caitlin with Glitter Chimp here tonight live from our brand new 3,000 square foot warehouse that we are so excited we were able to move into before Black Friday, because now we have enough room to introduce our Black Friday special Advent calendar. This calendar is 12 days of Christmas with Glitter Chimp. And we are so excited about this because it's going to have so much brand new stuff in it. It will blow y'all's mind. These calendars are going to have 12 drawers. So every day before Christmas, the 12 days before, you get to open the drawer, get a new surprise. Or for those of you who can't wait for each day, you can open them all at once. Each drawer has a nice little pull out so you can find your mystery prize. But unfortunately, they're empty right now. But how exciting is that you get to open a special little gift every single day from Glitter Chimp. The box is going to include 6 brand new full-size glitters, as well as 2 full-size mica powders, 2 new tumbler tools that you get to use for making tumblers, as well as 1 full size of the Diva Collection glitter, and it's going to be 1 drawer of 3 brand new Acrylic Key Chain Blanks. We are so excited about this. We know you guys are going to absolutely love this. And the boxes are great because you can always reuse them for next year. So the boxes are going to be available on Black Friday starting at 8 a.m. Central. So that's November 29th. And they'll be available until we sell out. We do only have a limited number of these, but that's okay because once you get it, it's yours. And the new glitters will be released probably after the new year. We're going to try to release them before that, but it'll probably be in January when the new colors get released. But that's okay because we also will have a bunch of new glitters available for Black Friday that will not be in the Advent calendar. I think as of right now, there are 7 new colors coming out. And I know there's still more than that coming that we haven't jarred yet. So we're really excited about this. Our Black Friday sale is going to be humongous. Make sure you join our Facebook group so that you can be up to date on all of the stuff for Black Friday. And with Black Friday, it's going to be awesome because there's one more surprise coming on Monday that we haven't announced yet and we're really excited about. It's going to blow y'all's minds. I promise it's going to be awesome. So this sale will be huge, and we will have all the information about these online. These are going to be selling for $85 for the Advent, and I told you guys what's in it. I mean, it's going to be 12 amazing things for each of you guys to just really get into that craft making with all of your glitter and tumbler tools. So you guys have a great night. We will get these uploaded to the website so you guys can start shopping through them and seeing what they look like inside. And we hope you guys have a great night. So we will see you guys again soon. Bye.